the IBC headquarters, and then we hear no more about them until later, and I come to that. My lords, there is in the mid-Atlantic Ocean, near Bermuda, an area where ships that have gone into this area never seem to come out, and nobody knows what happens to them. This is called the Bermuda Triangle. And the Bermuda Triangle is notorious for the absence of knowledge of what happens to ships that go into this triangle. My lords, we have emulated that, and this is the Bomas Triangle. 34As come in, and then they disappear. We don't know what happens to them. My lords, this is not law, this is not accuracy, this is not verifiability, this is not transparency, this is something, unfortunately, that can only give rise to a very questionable sequence. And it is this, my lord. Everybody knows, and the Honorable Mr. Kerry, who is a gallant and honorable person, himself thought that it was very simple. All you have to do, if there is a problem in the result, go back to the 34As and the discrepancy will come forward. And those people who have an interest in this, those who have an interest in this, know that that's the purpose of 34A. We were closing gaps everywhere, loopholes being closed. But, my lords, suppose you do the reverse. Instead of changing the result to the 34As, suppose you change the 34As to match the result which you have given. Then, when people go back to the 34As, the result, false result, and the 34As will match. But only, my lords, if they are false 34As. And, my lords, in order to have 41,000 false 34As, you need time. You need different
Sorry,
papers.
my lords, I know I'm not supposed to interject, but is that not a new case? Is that not a new angle in terms of changing the time?
Yeah.
Sorry, what's your...
The issue is now, in terms of changing the time, my client has an interest because now you would need the time to change, that's what I'm hearing, the Form 34As to match, as it were, with the Forms 34Bs. Why I say that is that my client's agents were present when the signature was being done, or rather appended to the Form 34A. That's yes.
My lord, he is not a party to this petition. He is not the custodian of the interests of either the person who's been declared, or the IBC, or the petitioner who is the candidate. He has no standing to make any interruption, my lord. My lord, I go back. So that the question is, you need time, and that is what may have happened. That is what could have happened, because, my lords, your lordships and your ladyships have no other evidence before you.